Hello, friends. Welcome to Wednesday writing. Those both start with the what. All right, we're going to get started today. And the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to challenge you with something new today. Instead of just writing your first name, we are going to start writing two names. So, my first name, that you guys don't call me, but it's my first name, is Carolyn. And then my last name is Dylan. Now, you've been putting your first name on your paper, so that would be like my name, Carolyn, but now I want you to try to put your last name on your paper. So this is what mine would look like. If I used my name that my parents gave me, I would put my first name, and then I would put a finger space, and then I would put my last name. So that's going to be different for you, isn't it? All right. So you can work on that and the date. And so today, your date is 10-2-20. Look at all those twos in there. 1, 2, 3 twos. That's kind of cool, isn't it? All right, you may go ahead and pause your video and come back as soon as you're ready, okay? All right, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be reviewing our vehicles that are in our book and looking for the shapes. And then we are going to make a sentence. It's called a sentence frame. So first of all, your job is going to be looking at our book again. And we did this page, I believe it was yesterday, and we found, or I found, the circle, and a triangle, and a square, right? Lots of different things. This rectangle, I remember doing that one. So there's lots of shapes that are on this vehicle. Let's look at the next vehicle. Here it comes. Probably faster than I am. There we go. So then we had a tow truck. This is one shape I saw right away on the tow truck. This is the mirror that's on the side. And that would be a rectangle. Over here is another rectangle. Back here are some other rectangles. Okay, so lots of rectangles on the truck. All right, let's see what else. Oh, do you remember what's coming next? That great big fire engine. Okay. So what kinds of things do you see on here? I see an oval. I see a cylinder. Oh, that's a big word. How about this ladder? What shape would that make? That would make a rectangle. And each of these in here would make a rectangle. And of course, we have our circles. And here's our bus post. And we said that was a rectangle. Do you remember what comes next? Ooh, I think it's that yummy one. Oh my goodness, look at there. That looks pretty yummy, doesn't it? What kind of shapes can we find here? Do you know what this is right here? You would probably call it a triangle. It's also a pyramid, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Sounding similar, isn't it? Lots to choose from. What's this big one? Do you remember what this is? The garbage truck with a skunk on it. Pew! All right, so we have some more rectangles. Just lots of different. This is almost a triangle here, isn't it? The shovel, that would count. Lots and lots and lots of ideas. Do you think the bus is coming yet? Not yet. All right, we have the backhoe. Here's on the backhoe, there's a triangle. Are you getting one of these in your mind that you really like? And there is the bus that they're waiting for. This one has a great big rectangle and rectangles for the windows. A circle for the light. All right, so lots of ideas of what you can write for your sentence frame. I'm going to give you most of the words for your sentence frame today, and then you're going to fill in a couple of the words. So what I want you to do is on your paper, I want you to say probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's probably good. And then draw it all the way across and go up 6 more and go all the way across. Let's see if that is going to be big enough for our sentence frame. If not, we have erasers, right? Okay. So, we're going to start with actually 3 words that are high frequency words, and I left them over there. I'll be right back. All right, I had them for another project. So the first word we're going to use is the word that we've done the longest. What is this word? I. You're correct. So I'm going to switch my color so you can tell that this is in my box. And I am going to write the word I. I. Can you write that in your box? Then we're going to have a finger space. I. Our new word. What's our new word? Wants to go crooked. I see. All right. I see. Okay, go ahead and write that. I, finger space, see, finger space. Another finger space. What's this word? Good. I see. All right. Now you are going to pick the one that you want. What shape do you want? We heard lots of triangles, or lots of rectangles. We heard a couple triangles. We heard circle. We heard sphere. What one are you going to pick? I think because it's different, I am going to go to the backhoe. And on the backhoe, we had a what? Right here. Down, angle, angle, a triangle. Okay, that's what I'm going to pick. You pick the one that you want. Okay? And I'm going to write all the sounds I hear. Try, angle. And then there's an E on the end. I see a triangle. And then we're not finished with our sentence yet. Then we're going to say on. So we're going to skip a line. On. Just how it sounds. O-N. On. What's this word? Good. And then you get to pick which vehicle you want. So let's read what we have so far. I see a triangle on a... What am I going to write? Backhoe. What are you going to write? Whatever you pick. Put the sound you hear. Write it the very best that you can. I'm going to stretch mine out. Back. Now, I know that there's 2 ways to say, actually 3 ways to say k. There's a K, there's a C, and there's a CK. And that's what I need on this one. Back. Ho. Now, we talked the other day, the backhoe is one word, but it's a compound word. So back, hoe, and you put them together for backhoe. Am I done with my sentence? I'm not, am I? What did I forget? How do we end our sentence? Let's try it again. What is that? Stop. Very good. And I just need a period for my stop because I'm not really super excited about it. I'm not asking a question because if I see it, then I don't need to ask a question about it, right? All right. So here's the rest of your direction. When you finish your sentence frame, what's your guess is going to go on the bottom? Your picture. You're right. Just do the best you can. Okay? Maybe you can put some kids around it, like in our story. But make sure that your teacher sees the word frame. I almost pointed to the one on my Chromebook right here, the word frame. Make sure they see that and that they have your shape, you have your shape, and you have your vehicle. And then just do your best with your drawing. And where do we upload it? We upload it to Google Classroom every day now. So, thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.